Most shop owners absolutely obsess over getting new customers. But if those customers don't come back, what's the point? The real key to success isn't in getting them through the door once, it's in making sure they return again and again. Now, if your shop is constantly chasing after new customers, you're burning energy in all the wrong places. The real secret to a profitable, stress-free shop isn't dumping money into ads or discounts to lure in first-time customers. It's in making sure the people who already trust you keep coming back again and again. If customers only visit once and never return, you're not building a business. You're running on a treadmill, working hard, but never getting ahead. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down why customer retention is the easiest way to grow your shop, how to create an experience that customers actually remember, and the simple things you can do to keep them coming back without lifting a finger. So let's go ahead and talk about why keeping your customers coming back not only is easier, but way more profitable than constantly hunting after new ones. Getting a new customer takes effort. You have to market, you have to compete with the rest of the marketplace, and then you have to prove your value. But if you never follow up, you're constantly starting over instead of building something solid. And let's face it, getting a new customer costs 5 to 7 times more than keeping an existing one. Most shops already have hundreds or even thousands of customers in their database who should be coming back more often, but aren't. Now, if customers aren't returning, it's not because they don't like you. It's because they forgot about you. Look, life gets busy, and if you're not staying top of mind, they'll just go to whoever is most convenient the next time. Imagine a customer visits your shop and gets great service and then leaves happy. But they never hear from you again. They liked you, but when their next repair comes up, they just Google the nearest option instead of coming back to you. Now, you didn't lose them because you did anything wrong. You lost them because you didn't do anything to keep them coming back. So how do you stop this from happening? Well, it all starts with making sure their visit to your shop isn't just good, it's memorable. The best way to keep customers coming back is to blow them away while they're at your shop. Give them such a great experience that they wouldn't even think about going anywhere else. Make every visit feel personal. Greet them by name, remember their last service, and genuinely show interest in them. People love feeling like they're part of a family. Go the extra mile. Offer a free fluid top-up, clean their windshield, inside and out, vacuum their car, or give them a small, unexpected perk. It's the little things that they're going to remember. If they're going to wait, keep your waiting area comfortable. A clean space, good coffee, and a working Wi-Fi may seem small, but it makes a huge difference. No one particularly likes waiting, but you can make it feel less like an inconvenience and more like a place they don't mind coming back to. Make sure you deliver on your promises. Look, if you say their car is going to be ready by 3 p.m., make sure it is. And if there's a delay, and delays happen, keep them updated. Customers remember when a shop is reliable, but they also remember when it's not. And finally, leave them a small gift in their card to thank them for coming in. Think about the person who cuts your hair. If they remember how you like it cut, ask about your family, or even recall that crazy story you told them last time, you feel like more than just another customer, right? You feel like they actually care, and that's what keeps you coming back. That's exactly how your shop should be treating your customers, like they belong, not just another person with a pulse and a set of car keys. Now, creating a wow experience is great, but if you don't remind customers to come back, even the best experiences can be forgotten. So let's go ahead and talk about how to keep the relationship going. Even the happiest customers won't come back if you don't invite them back. Life gets busy, and even the best intentioned customers forget about routine maintenance unless you remind them. Make rebooking automatic. Before they leave, schedule their next appointment and send reminders leading up to it. Give them a reason to return. Special offers, VIP perks, or referral bonuses keep you top of mind and give them that extra push that they're going to need to choose you again. I absolutely guarantee shop owners that implement just one or maybe two of these strategies will see at least 30 to 50% more return visits within just a few months. Just imagine what a 30% bump in car count could do for your business. So now, I hope you can see why retention marketing is the key to running a profitable, low-stress shop. When you wow your customers during the visit and make it easy for them to return, you create a steady, reliable car count without constantly scrambling for new customers. Now, if you want more marketing ideas as well as a simple system to help grow your shop's profits, grab my free course, The Repair Shop Tune-Up. The link is down below. Check it out. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to bring in customers more often without annoying them. Because keeping the relationship strong isn't about constant calls and emails. It's about the right touch points at the right time. I'll see you then.